Hi, in this tutorial we're going to discover how we can remove print lines from Excel. So as we can see, these small little dotted lines over here, these often cause problems while printing our documents. Suppose the half of your page gets printed or some other issues, and most of all these look pretty darn annoying. So if you want to remove them, the best way to do it is go to File, then go to Options. Here you'll find a long list of menu options. Then you go to Advanced. On Advanced, scroll down until you find Display options for this worksheet. So uncheck this thing. It's called Show Page Breaks. So if you deselect this and press OK, you'll see that the print lines are gone. Now, to make them reappear, obviously you have to go through the whole process again. Options, Advanced, and Show Page Breaks. So the reason I'm making them reappear is to show you another method which we can use to make them disappear again. So method 1 is done, we've understood that. Now the next method we want to do is, suppose you want to make them at least disappear from the line of sight or the portion that you want to print on paper. So let's select a cell outside here. Now once that's done, we go to the page layout tab over here. Now the next thing we want to do is select print area, set print area. Now what this does is it sets this particular cell for the print area, and when you press OK, it only focuses on that particular cell and the print area on the entire page will be gone. See? Voila. So that's pretty much it. This, I hope, helped you in learning how to remove print lines from Excel. Thank you.